Hi everyone, hope everyone's doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing from Vario. So you might notice this is the second watch I get from Vario. This time I actually bought it. And as you can see, Versa Reversible was one of the watches they released last year, and it was a big hit. And the color that I wanted was sold out. After getting this watch for review, I asked Ivan from Vario, hey, do you have this color by any chance? And he had one as a replacement, and I was lucky enough, I was like, okay, I'll buy it. And I ordered it, and he sent me the strap as an extra strap. Thanks again for the strap. So let's get down to unboxing. So you know I like travel packs. I'm trying this new underplace for the, or let's say background for the video. Let me know if you don't like it. I'll put back the leather. I'm just trying some stuff out. Always your suggestions in the comment sections are welcome to improve the videos, and definitely try to learn every day and improve every day. So yeah, and if you're interested, definitely hit the subscribe button, the bell button, and if you like the video afterwards, please do like it. It does help the channel a lot. So opening it, we find another cover. That's great. It's a buckle, perfect. And let's open this. Da-da-da. Another one. That's a really unboxing here. So let's get a nice thumbnail for the video. Here we go. And ta-da! We have the Vario Versa, which has two dial colors. We have the green, enamel dial green, and you have the sector white dial. And I think this is the gunmetal case. So you have a case that allows wearing of two dials, like the Cartier the GLC Reverso, and I think there is a Cartier also. I don't remember the name, but you can reverse the dials. And definitely in this price segment, around 400 something euros, you can't find any watch that does this. Let's take this old stickers because we don't need them anymore. And here we have a buckle, deployment buckle or deployment clasp. And we have the green leather strap and the green dial. So let's take off the other Vario watch I'm testing out, but I will send back, and see how my new watch looks on my wrist. Actually, it looks quite nice with the green dial and green leather strap. Let's see how the white. So the white looks quite nice as well. So basically the watch is 28 millimeters in diameter. Lug to lug, which is the most important thing here, is around 40, and thickness is 12.5. Has two Ronda quartz movements, so basically you can change the time. Let's try it the traditional way, where a little bit hard to change the time, but let's change this one to 10 to 10. And you can change the time also for the other watch to 10 to 10. To have both watches running at the same time. Yeah, and the strap looks quite nice. I'll have to adjust it to my size and put it on. And there's another strap with quick release function with the black leather and a normal buckle. So just to be safe and have both, that's quite nice to have. This color combination is really nice. And you have brushed finish on the case, and here you have polished. So you have both types of finishes. And as you can see, one dial has the screws to remove the case to be able to change the batteries, and one dial has the smooth bezel where you can basically the backside. Yeah, I actually like it a lot. Don't have much square watches in my collection, so this one will have a nice place in the collection. My wife also likes a lot square watches, so I think she will be wearing it a lot of times because you can change also the colors. That's quite a nice feature. Yeah. So if you do like this kind of content, be sure to leave a like, also subscribe, and if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, please leave them in the comment section. And as always, see you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.